Hi, folks. I'm Bruce Paulson with Determined Solutions Search Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to show you my stupid, simple way to create content for the internet that is useful, gets people's attention, and helps them out a bit. And let me go ahead and minimize this and put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, so this is a stupid, simple technique I developed, and anyone can do this, and you're going to think it's ridiculous. But as you can see here, this is a Google Doc I have, and I call it LinkedIn Post Ideas. I called it LinkedIn Post Ideas a few years ago because the LinkedIn organic reach was it was doing really good, and you could get a lot of views very easily to your posts that you would do on LinkedIn. I've been too lazy to change the title of it, but now I just use this as like content, right? It's still good to put it on LinkedIn, but ideally you want to distribute it far and wide all over the place that you can. You can take this stuff and make blog posts, videos, whatever. Anyway, I'm too lazy to change the title of it, but it could be post ideas, content ideas, whatever. And so all I have this Google Doc, and if I think of something useful to say, I'll jot something down. Like, so I did a post about how everything's a search engine except Amazon is just, I use Google instead to find products on Amazon. It's really bad. Anyway, but look, okay, so this is my stupid simple way to produce content and show this doc. Here it is. Uh, Look at this. Why I don't talk about links? I usually don't talk about links in SEO. It's too complicated. So basically, I just kind of sometimes I'll like write out something more in depth, but usually I just write something down because I can ramble on forever. I just get my the idea so that I can just I'm like, oh yeah, I remember, and then I just riff on that. You can create a post out of this. You could turn it into a blog post, video, really anything that you want. Um, and it's just random. I'm sure there's much better ways to do this, but I've been doing this for a couple of years, and look at this, 4 of 17. Let's just keep going. If you're on, that's probably Shopify. Yeah. So that's Shopify, right? So sometimes I don't even remember. Sometimes these are totally useless, and I got to get rid of them. And maybe if you've been following my stuff, you've seen some of these posts. And I used to delete this stuff, but now I just keep it because maybe I go back and talk about it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I can go back and add more to it. But this is it. I just keep a file. You can use whatever you want. I just use a Google Doc, and I just go dash. Here is here's my idea, right? And then I just come back here when I am looking for something to post, and uh, I just I just pull something from here. So basically, I mean, I got 17 pages. I don't know. I can just keep adding stuff and adding stuff and adding stuff. Stupid simple way. And then you just go and distribute the content all over. So that's good not only to get seen on social media, but you can also be seen. Let me see. Do I have an example? Yeah. Okay. So this is simple YouTube SEO tactics that anyone can do, right? So I made a YouTube video of it and I made a blog post of it. And it's like, not too many people are searching for that. But if you do this type of stuff, you can also get indexed and found in search engines. And there's a lot more that you can do with it. There's ways to optimize this, keywords, and yada, yada, yada. But just simply making a list and then coming back to it and then just adding to it. And sometimes these are just garbage ideas and I don't ever use them. And then sometimes I remember, oh, that's not what I meant, and I can add to it or whatever. But just write down a bunch of ideas and then come back and create content around it. Create a LinkedIn post or a Twitter post or a video, blog post. Turn around, package your ideas, put it out there so you can get in front of people and they'll be like, oh, that's the guy who puts out helpful information. Okay, well, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.